Swapping an O2 sensor is pretty straightforward and can usually be done in under an hour. This oxygen sensor has never been replaced as long as I've owned the car, which I bought over 12 years and 70,000 miles ago. So I'm not too surprised that it's causing my check engine light to come on. There's an important fact of life that we're going to make use of in this situation to solve this problem. Torque is like violence. If it hasn't solved your problem, then you aren't using enough of it. Holy cow. It's finally out. Let's get the new one out. Make sure it fits our connector. It does. It's got anti-seize grease already on the threads here. I was pretty close to just buying a new exhaust manifold. My God. All right.